You fall down there. Yep. Yep. I'm a superstar. Take a photo, take a photo.
I'm taking a video. A mess Nike has just made.
Oh, was it food?
And now for you!
The stinker.
He's a superstar! He's climbing!
He's at the top of his cave.
Oh, and he fell.
Oh, please, I want him now. Slide.
He's very interested in the camera. Okay, slide.
You're a donkey.
Oh, the cheater.
Elliot, instead of going to his slide, he climbed up the side of the cage and got up into his... He's up and down like a yo-yo.